After making its debut at IFA with a whole host of pioneering features, it's no wonder the Xperia XZ3 has created a real buzz at the international tech trade show currently underway in Berlin. There's been plenty of media chat about the first ever Xperia with BRAVIA''S registered OLED TV display technologies, that's being called pin-sharp, rich and vibrant by Forbes, and even more about the best-in-class 13MP front camera that trusted reviews highlights is choc-a-block with beautifying modes. Android Authority, easily the most interesting phone announced at Forbes. Sony has made a bigger leap forward with this phone than any previous model. I'd argue GSM Arena. Sony made sure the panel it picked looks gorgeous, featuring an 18:9 extended display aspect ratio, QHD plus resolution tech radar. Sony's new display tech looks to be a major step forward for the brand's phones, being able to rival the top-end devices from Samsung and Google with a brand new OLED screen is impressive. This phone has bleeding-edge specs that are hard to beat. It's got an incredible screen, a top-end processor, and doodles of storage. Digital trends. This is one of the best displays we've ever seen in a smartphone, flanked by powerful speakers for a memorable movie-watching or gaming experience. Daily Star. The device also includes some clever edges that allow you to launch apps and control the device via simple strokes and taps on the side. Android Police. Sony continues to do a bang-up job of keeping up with the latest Android versions, whether by releasing devices with new software or updating existing ones, and we wish more manufacturers would learn from it. Tech Advisor. Xperia XZ3 might turn out to be the connoisseur's smartphone choice in 2018 with an all-round excellent design and spec sheet. T3. Pleasingly, the Sony Xperia XZ3 has had a total redesign, with the tall new 18:9 form factor, Samsung's tall curved display, and lush new 3mm aluminum frame. The move to OLED does feel like a bit of a game-changer for Sony's Xperia flagship. I'm not quite ready to proclaim it a screen champion, but the improvements are immediately noticeable. Android Central. The color selection Sony made are absolutely fantastic. CNBC. With its Xperia XZ3, Sony has focused on the areas where it has typically been strong: camera and screen quality.